This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2008-2017 Buick Enclave key fob. It's a simple DIY task that can save you money compared to dealership service. All you need is a small screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Replacing the battery keeps your key fob functioning. Batteries tend to last 1 to 2 years depending on usage. The key fob for your Buick Enclave uses a specific battery type, the CR2032, which is a 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Using the correct battery ensures optimal performance and prevents potential damage to the fob's electronics. Here is what a CR2032 battery looks like. Note the silver coin shape with CR2032 markings and plus symbols indicating the positive terminal. These batteries are widely available in packages like this Duracell brand, typically containing multiple batteries. They're commonly found online or at auto parts stores for around $2 to $5 per battery. The CR2032 has specific dimensions, a diameter of 20 millimeters and a height of 3 millimeters. Always install the battery with the positive side facing up to ensure proper contact. Locate the small notch or seam on the side of your key fob. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a coin into the notch. Gently twist the screwdriver to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to force it, as this could crack the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old battery. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side should be facing up. This is crucial for proper function after the replacement. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive side facing up, matching the original battery's orientation. Ensure the battery is securely seated in its place. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure that the case is fully closed and that there are no gaps. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the fob is securely sealed. After reassembling the key fob, test its functionality. Press the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure they are working correctly. Confirm that the LED indicator on the fob lights up when a button is pressed. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's a new CR2032. If problems persist, the fob may need reprogramming by a dealer. To avoid static discharge damaging the fob, work on a non-conductive surface. Remember to recycle old batteries.